Hello my dear students, I am your computer teacher. I hope all of you are safe and fine. Today in this video I will discuss the lesson 3 of class 4. The lesson name is multimedia. So let us start. Introduction to multimedia. Multimedia is one of the most interesting and fastest growing areas in the field of information technology. Multimedia is the most interesting and fastest growing area in the field of technology. Multimedia is made from two words. Multi means many and media refers to video, still images, audio and text. So multimedia, the term multimedia made by two words. First one is multi. Multi means many and media. Media refers to the terms media refers to some videos, images, audio and text. These are called media. Media is a combination of video, still images, audio and text in such a way that it can be accessed interactively. So multimedia is a combination of video, images, audio, text, etc. and they are combined in such a way that it can be accessed attractively. This video, images, audio, text are combined in that way, in such a way that it becomes more attractive. Text, pictures, animations, movies and sounds are flawlessly blended, resulting in simple slideshows to beautiful and interactive presentations. These video, pictures, text, animations, movies and sounds are smoothly blended to each other. So the result after blending, they come out in more beautiful and attractive way. Before the advent of computers, multimedia projects were difficult to put together. Before computers were invented, before computers were get more advanced, multimedia projects were difficult to put them together. Computer enables to combine the media and store them for reuse. Multimedia combines all the media and store them for reuse. Multimedia is widely used in the fields of entertainment and education. Multimedia is widely used in the field of entertainment and education. Multimedia is used for entertainment, education, training, advertising, simulations, playing music and so much more. Multimedia is used for entertainment, education, for giving training, for making advertisement, for simulations and playing music and many more. These are the use of multimedia. So this part is important. This is given here. To simulate, here we found a term called simulate. So what is the meaning of simulate? To simulate means to recreate the conditions of a situation artificially. So simulate means creating a situation artificially, like doing an operation of a human body, making the operation process and the body parts inside the human are shown artificially on the computer by this process. This is called simulate. So next page, page number 28, training or education. So how multimedia is used in training or education? Multimedia presentations are a great way to introduce new concepts or explain a new technology. Multimedia presentations are very great way to introduce some new concepts and explain new technologies. In companies, this reduces the design and training time. When you use multimedia in companies, it will reduce the designing and training time. Individuals find it easy to understand and use. So everyone find it easy to understand and use it. So everyone finds it easy to understand and easy to use. In the field of education, multimedia is used to produce computer based training, which is called CBT, courses and reference books like encyclopedia. In education field, multimedia is used to produce computer based trainings, which is called CBT in the short form, and CBT gives CBT courses and reference books like encyclopedia in education. A CBT lets the user go through a series of presentations, text about a particular topic, and associated illustrations in various information formats. So CBT gives the user opportunity to go through many presentations, text about particular topic and associated and illustrations in various information formats on that particular topic. Edutainment is an informal term used to describe a combination of education and entertainment, especially multimedia entertainment. So, edutainment is an term to describe the combination of education and entertainment together. Especially when we use multimedia in education, the edutainment term is evolved. Next, entertainment. How multimedia is used in entertainment field? The field of entertainment uses multimedia extensively. In the field of multimedia is a field of entertainment. Multimedia is used widely. One of the earliest applications of multimedia was games. The earliest application of multimedia was games. Multimedia made possible innovative and interactive games that greatly enhance the learning experience. So in multimedia we can make attractive games that will enhance the learning experience. Games come alive with sounds and animated graphics. Games will become alive with sounds and animated graphics. It is also used to develop special effects in movies and animations. Multimedia is also used to develop special effects on movies and animations. So this much is for today. We will discuss the next part of the lesson in the next part of the video. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.